5 delicious drinks for Ramadan. Muslims fast for a month and neither eat nor drink from before sunrise to sunset. Not drinking water for long hours can seriously harm the body. But what is the solution? In this video, we will introduce you to 5 delicious drinks to be a solution for this issue. So, be with us. Hi guys, welcome to the health tips and tricks. Milk and date smoothie. Milk and dates smoothie is one of the best drinks suitable for Ramadan. This smoothie is a very energizing and delicious combination, and in addition to quenching thirst, it supplies the body with the energy needed for fasting. This drink is so nutritious and delicious that you can count on it as a full meal. To make this smoothie, put 10 dates in a blender with 1.5 glasses of milk and ice cubes and let them blend well for a minute. Your energizing and delicious smoothie is ready. Bon appetit! Almond smoothie. Almonds are full of nutrients and beneficial compounds. Preparing its smoothie or milkshake is a great option to quench thirst and restore physical strength. To prepare a delicious and energizing drink with almonds, just put 1.5 glasses of milk with 2 tablespoons of soaked almonds, a few ice cubes, and a tablespoon of honey into a blender and let these ingredients mix well for a minute. Your healthy energy drink is ready just like that. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified about new videos. Chocolate banana smoothie. If you experience low blood sugar or pressure during the day, eating bananas and various banana-based smoothies will help you solve this problem. Bananas are rich in nutrients that, in addition to energizing the body, are also very useful for the heart and indigestion. To make a chocolate banana smoothie, you need 1.5 glasses of milk, 1 medium banana, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, ice cubes, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Pour the mentioned ingredients into the blender and after a minute, you will get a very delicious and healthy cocoa drink. Saffron and chia seed drink. You can help to eliminate the feeling of thirst by consuming this drink to a great extent. Adding chia seeds also increases the benefits of this drink for fasting people, because these seeds will prevent the body from dryness by storing water. To prepare this drink, first add a teaspoon of saffron juice to a glass of boiling water. In the next step, add some rose water to the mixture. After mixing all the ingredients, let all drink cool. Then add a tablespoon of chia seeds and a tablespoon of honey. Our drink is ready after 5 minutes. Bon appetit! Cucumber and lemon drink. The combination of cucumber and lemon is a suitable drink for Ramadan that will be very useful for quenching thirst. This drink also has a lot of benefits for the body. To prepare this thirst-quenching drink, prepare a glass of water, 1 medium cucumber, a lemon, and a tablespoon of honey. First, wash and grate the cucumber. Then mix grated cucumber and water. At the end, take the lemon juice, add honey to it, and stir. You can also add a few mint leaves to this drink. If you have any questions or comments, I will be happy if you leave me a comment. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified about new videos.